Today I'm sharing with you how I made this amazing cookie that's very easy to make. It turned out super crunchy, super delicious, very beautiful, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In my saucepan, I added in sugar followed by milk, a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. I then turn on the fire, then I let this cook slowly while stirring it until the sugar has dissolved completely. Once the sugar has dissolved completely like so, keep it aside. In the next thing you're going to do is to add softened butter to your mixing bowl. Add in the sugar mixture bit by bit until you've added in all. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So go ahead and then add it to it bit by bit until you are done. Then you can move to the next step. Next, you're going to need egg. Add in your egg and then wait until everything has come together, until well combined, before going in with the dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, I went in for all-purpose flour. You can use cake flour as well. I added in baking powder and vanilla extract. So if your vanilla is the liquid one, you can add it to the liquid ingredient before adding in the wet egg, before adding in the dry ingredients. Mix until it has formed a dough. You do not want it that sticky. So if it is that much sticky, all you have to do is to add in about a tablespoon of flour and then you're good to go. This should be the consistency. Now transfer it onto a clean film. Make sure you flatten it with your fingertips and then keep it in the fridge for at least from 30 to 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, sprinkle flour on your work surface, transfer the dough on it, and then go in with a rolling pin. So the thickness should be from 6 to 7 millimeters. Now go in with the scone cutter and then cut a circle shape as seen in the video. That's very easy, so simple. You can involve your kids, they'll help you out, and trust me, you're going to have fun in the kitchen. Take out any excess and then divide it into 2 equal parts. Once done, in a separate bowl, add in cocoa powder, 1 egg yolk, and then milk, about 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix until everything has come together, until well combined. So make sure you mix it all, mix it well. You do not want to see any lumps of cocoa powder in it, so please make sure you mix it well. Transfer the cookie dough on your baking tray and then brush on top with the cocoa mixture. When done, all you have to do is to go in with a toothpick. This design is totally optional. If you want, you can do it. If not, you can even use a fork to just make some lines on it and you're good to go. So I went in with a toothpick and then make line according to the round shape of the cookie, and then that's it. It's very simple, so easy. When done, bake it at 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. And guys, just look at this. This is beautiful. Not just beautiful, but delicious as well. I hope you really enjoyed watching my video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you till then. Bye bye.